Hey, this is Mrs. Gervasio. Thanks for catching us on another tutorial. Today we are going to be talking about converting customary measures. This is a graphic organizer of the basic customary conversions. So up here you have length. In the middle you have capacity, and then down here at the bottom you have weight. So refer back to this whenever you need to throughout the tutorial. Okay, one strategy that will help us remember that what to do when we are converting customary measurements is what I like to do is circle the T. Because what that means is that we're going to have to create a T-chart, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. Okay, so if we were going to go ahead and figure out if we had 3 feet, how many inches would that actually need to be? We would, again, customary. That means that we need to go ahead and create a T-chart. And we would have feet over here, and then inches over there. And you would have 1 foot equals 12 inches. Well, we need 3 feet, so we're going to keep going. We have another foot, that's 12 inches, and another foot, and that's 12 inches. Now that I have 3 feet, I'm going to add those up, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go ahead and add up the inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3. So, as you can see, the 3 feet go over here, but then we're answering our problem, the 36 inches goes over there. So 3 feet equal 36 inches. Okay, let's go ahead and do another one together. We have 5 pounds equal how many ounces? So go ahead and pause me and try figuring it out yourself. Okay, so now we go ahead and we're converting customary measurement. So that means we need a T-chart. So there's our T-chart. We have pounds over here, and we have ounces over here, and we need 5 pounds. So there's 1, and in 1 pound there are 16 ounces. So we go ahead and keep doing that. And there's another one, and that's 4, and then there's 5. And then we add those up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pounds. And again, that's over here. And then we go ahead and add this up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sixes. 5 groups of 6 is 30. We carry the 3, drop the 0. Then we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer to our problem is 5 pounds equal 80 ounces. Do you see how simple that is? Let's try another one. Okay, so we have however many feet equal 48 inches. Again, converting customary measurement. So we have our T-chart. We have feet on the left, inches on the right, and again, 1 foot equals 12 inches. Okay, so we're going to keep going. Another foot equals 12 inches. Well, let's see. I'm not sure. I know I'm looking for 48 inches. So I have 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. So is that the 48 that we're looking for? Absolutely not. So I'm going to go ahead and erase that, and I'm going to keep going. There's another foot. Now I'm going to see. Let's see. 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3. 36. Is that the 48 that I'm looking for? Nope. So I'm going to go ahead and erase that again, and I'm going to keep going and add another one. So 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that the 48 that we're looking for? Absolutely. So I go ahead and I add up the feet, which is the one I'm looking for, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 feet. So the answer to our problem is 4 feet equal 48 inches. Good job. Okay, let's go ahead and do another one, another practice one. 4 yards equal however many inches. Go ahead and pause me and try it on and try by yourself. Okay, we're creating or we're converting customary measures. So again, we have a T chart. So there's a couple ways, different ways to do this. The easiest, the simplest way is to just have one T chart. And over here you have yards, and over on the right you have inches. And you will need to know that 1 yard is really 3 feet, and 3 feet is 12 plus 12 plus 12 is 36 inches. So 1 yard actually equals 36 inches. Now I need to do 4 yards. So and there's another one, 36. There's another yard, 36, and another yard, 36. And then we just go ahead and we add it up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 yards. There's that. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sixes. 4 groups of 6 is 24. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So our answer is 4 yards equals 144 inches. If you got that one right, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. Another way to do this, if you forget that 1 yard equals 36 inches, is, okay, so we have 4 yards equal however many inches. What you can do is do what you know first, okay? So let's take a look. You know that if you don't know that 1 yard is 36 inches, you can say, well, I'm going to do yards and I'm going to do feet. So I know that 1 yard actually has 3 feet. So I'm going to do that again. 1 yard, 3 feet, 1 yard, 3 feet, and 1 yard, 3 feet. And that would give you 4 yards with 3, 6, 9, 12 feet. Now I can go ahead and move on to the next step, which is converting those 12 yards into however many inches. Or I'm sorry, 12 feet. 12 feet, not 12 yards. 12 feet into however many inches. So again, you have your T chart, feet and inches, and then you just work it out from there. So you can go ahead and pause me and figure this part on your own. So we have 1 foot equals 12 inches, another 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 foot equals 12 inches, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another foot equals 12 inches, another foot equals 12 inches. Now I'm not finished there, I don't have enough room, so I'm going to do what we do in class, which is squiggle, squiggle, squiggle. And I'm going to keep going. So I have feet and inches over here. This is horribly sloppy, and I'm very sorry. And I have another foot and 12 inches, another foot and 12 inches. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, so many of you are going, wait a minute. I have 12 feet. And I have 12 groups of 12. So what can I do to help me solve this problem? 12 groups of 12. Well, groups of really is just another way of saying 12 times 12. Now, those of us that know our 12 facts know that 12 times 12 equals 144. If you don't know your 12 facts, it's really not a big deal because you just go ahead and add up what we had before. Okay, so again, 12 feet is equivalent to 4 yards. And then we went ahead and converted that, 4 yards, into inches. Okay, let's go ahead and do another practice problem. So let's have 6 feet equals however many inches. Okay, go ahead and pause me and figure it out yourself. Customary conversion, remember, is T-chart. So you have feet over here and inches on the right, and you just keep going. You do what you know first. So 1 foot equals 12 inches, 1 foot equals 12 inches, another foot 12 inches, another foot 12 inches, another foot 12 inches, and our 6 foot equals 12 inches. You go ahead and add that up. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feet, which is right there. And then we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Regroup with the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 72 inches. So we have 6 feet equal, wait for it, 72 inches. Good job if you got that one right. If you got that one wrong, go back and look and see what exactly you did wrong. Now don't forget that at any point you can always go back and look at this conversion helper chart to help you solve any of the problems. Let's do one last problem together. We have however many ounces equals 3 pounds. Okay, so you're converting the customary measurement. So remember to do a T-chart. Go ahead and pause me and start figuring out the problem. Okay, so we have, there's our T-chart. We have ounces on the left and pounds on the right. We know that for every 1 pound, it's 16 ounces, and we need 3 pounds. So there's another pound, 16 ounces, and the last pound, 16 ounces. Now we go ahead and add that up. 1, 2, 3 pounds, which is right there. That's exactly what we need. Then we have 1, 2, 3 sixes. 6 times 3 is 18. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 48 ounces equal 3 pounds. Yay if you got that one right. If you did not, you may want to go ahead and go back to the beginning and start at the beginning and slowly work your way through our tutorial. And make sure to ask whatever questions you have during class, and I'll be happy to help you. Well, thanks for joining us on this Converting Customary Measures tutorial, and I hope you check back with us for the next tutorial. Thanks!